was on him way too quick.
Oh!
Oh, Quan catches him into a belly to belly.
Tonight, IPW Resurgence. Jon Jon Tavious, Joey Valentyne. Tonight, you fall to the Iron Curtain. Lakshana Kamada, #1 team. Sir.
Our next contest is a tag team match. Introducing first, at a total combined weight of 525 pounds, from Moscow, Victor Rokov, and from Hong Kong, Quan Chang. Collectively, they are the Iron Curtain.
The Iron Curtain. Victor Volkov and Quan Chang.
Collectively a mountain of men. The gods are huge human beings.
Look at Victor. He's a mountain. He's the Russian tank right there. Impressive figure.
The speed that he brings that tank at you.
Right? For a big man, that guy can fly.
Right?
And then Quan, deadly with those kicks. Those decapitating kicks.
Definitely game stopping.
Look at that individual right there. Very experienced wrestler.
Yeah, he knows about a million ways to take you apart.
With his left foot.
Yeah, and he enjoys it.
Requested a moment of silence
Moment of
for
silence.
Vladimir Putin and the Russian soldiers.
Oh,
Is
I
he-
don't know if,
I don't know about that guy. Oh, that's no
Oh.
Russian music.
Thank you, music man.
Yes.
Tim, we love you.
Tim, thank you, Tim. Your play. Yes, here we go.
And their opponent, weighing in today at a combined weight of 416 pounds. Hailing from their latest victory, Joey Valentyne and Jon Jon Tavious.
Jon Jon Tavious, other words known as the Pied Piper of the IPW.
Oh, absolutely.
And Joey Valentine's making his debut to the IPW.
Let's see if his debut will be as impressive as Jon Jon's.
No way.
Not against these two, I have my doubts. Then again, one of Jon Jon's matches was against Quan one-on-one.
It was. It was a very impressive match. Oh, looks like Iron Curtain's trying to get some cheers, but we all know how that's going to happen. Oh. Oh, the silent attack.
Looks like they're not going to allow them to get the cheers.
Not at all. Iron Curtain's beating on Jon Jon and Valentyne. Oh, over the top goes Victor.
Ooh, a double
Tavious and Valentine's beating on Quan. Double Irish. Double clothesline.
clothesline takes Quan down.
Very impressive. Tavious and Valentine both kicking Quan in the corner.
Comes Volkov.
Volkov's back in. Oh, and an
Oh,
avalanche.
not good. Not a good outcome.
Iron Curtain powder out of the ring, leaving Tavious.
Not a
and
good
Valentyne.
start. Not the way you want your match to start.
Well, they were expecting a whole new outcome, I think. A whole different outcome, I mean.
Definitely shocked.
Yeah, it didn't work out in their favor, did it? Victor's in the ring, and it looks like Victor and Valentine's going to be starting this match. Like,
See if you can duplicate those results again.
yeah.
I find
One-on-one against Victor Volkov.
I was just gonna say I find it hard to believe against a human being that size.
Oh, Valentine's trying to give Victor a shoulder block.
And immediately the pace is slowed down.
Here we go again.
You're not gonna knock that wall down.
No way. Looks like Victor's calling for one more time.
Oh, maybe he wants. It looks like he wants Valentyne to take one. I don't think this is a wise choice. A drop toe hold into a headlock. Beautiful combination. You want to wear this man down. You don't want him that power at his beck and call.
I'm surprised he's got control over Victor, tell you the truth. Headlock takedown. Valentyne's got Victor in the middle of the ring with a headlock.
Stay on him, Joey. You want to stay on him. I wouldn't give him an inch of breathing space.
You can't give Victor an inch of breathing space.
Oh, it looks like the power is
just like that, Victor takes over with an atomic bomb and a clothesline. Tagging in Quan.
Yeah. Oh, and a fresh Quan Chang is indeed a nightmare.
Oh, he's a nightmare. Snapmare. It's like Quan's got Valentyne in the middle of the ring with complete control. And there it comes. There it is.
Oh,
We're talking about those
behind
kicks.
those kicks.
Right there. Going for two. No! Valentyne blocks it. Now he's got Quan by his foot. Quan saying no. In comes Tavious over the top. Valentyne knocks down Quan.
Oh, not to be in.
They just split Quan in half.
You can tell by the look on his face that's not
Oh.
something you want to have happen.
Tavious in control over Quan.
Solid right hand, staggers enough to get the
Irish whip. Clothesline.
Beautiful clothesline.
Oh, mid kick, another kick, 3 kicks, and 4. Quan is stunned. Oh, scissor
nice
kick
pump
and
kick,
down
beautiful. Quan had enough to get out.
Yeah, I can't believe he had enough. That was quick too. Tavious' Irish whip. Quan reverses. Tavious in the corner. Quan comes in just in time for a back elbow for lunch.
Oh, Tavious is trying to get to the top rope, maybe. Get the aerial tactics out.
Yeah, Quan was on him way too quick.
Oh,
Quan catches him into
Caught
a
the air.
belly to belly.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
The stomps in and keeping the wind away.
Oh. Victor put his boot up on the top rope just for Quan to knock Tavious' head off of it. Looks like Valentyne's trying to get into the ring.
This allows the Iron Curtain, of course, to maintain that double teaming. And I gotta say, it's some wise moves.
Jawbreaker by Victor. I've never would have guessed. Oh, Victor squeezing the head of Jon Jon.
Oh, just like a vice. Just squeezing
Just squeezing it. Jon Jon's getting back to his feet.
Firing back with everything he's got, and he has to at this point.
Oh, dodges a clothesline. Oh, and then catches a shoulder. See, a flying shoulder.
Yeah, just the fact that you can put the word "flying" in front of any one of that man's moves is amazing.
Unbelievable. Did you see how he was vertical?
Oh, it'd be like a tree being thrown at you.
Yeah. Victor smashing Jon Jon's head off the top rope. Turnbuckle. Victor's going up top. Is he going up top?
Oh, second rope.
Oh,
Look at that.
Unbelievable. A splash
Has
off
to be
the
over.
top.
Oh my God.
Jon Jon digging deep just to kick up out of that one. There's your tag.
Being handed over to Quan Chang now
Quan.
for some more punishment.
Quan and Victor are in the ring.
Oh, there's those kicks again, well placed.
Well placed strikes. He's a striker.
Oh, you can tell by the reaction, Jon Jon's not doing well here. Looks like he's in a little bit of trouble as Quan unloads on him.
Oh, big kick in the back of Jon Jon. Quan is now just grinding his knee into the ear of Jon Jon.
Might not be that fancy, but it does keep you in control.
It's just that constant pain that he keeps you in. Pain is exhausting.
John's got a little bit something left in the tank.
John's firing up. Oh, taking
That's enough of
an
that.
advantage of Jon's hair. Snapmare.
Comes these educated feet again.
Oh, beautifully straight kick to the back of Jon. One's Quint pinning.
I'm arguing with the official. Feels like it should have been a 3. I think he might be onto something there, though.
Well, this ref doesn't see much.
Like, do you really believe a man kicked out after all that punishment?
Oh, the big man. Victor's back in the ring. Big headbutt.
Again, Jon fighting to stay on that vertical base.
Irish whip. Oh, both men are
Collision.
down.
I wasn't sure what to call that, but it's a collision, I guess.
A collision. I think what happened was Jon was trying to get out of the way, and they collided. Because I wouldn't want to get in the way of
two bodies cannot occupy the same space.
Oh, yeah. Quan into the ring to start a fight with Valentyne, dragging Jon back to the center.
Making sure that tag couldn't be
And now
made.
the ref is just paying attention to Valentyne. Quan's not even the legal man in. They didn't even tag.
I'm sure there was a tag.
There was no tag there.
I'm sure it was a legal tag. You're just check a different camera angle on that. I'm sure you can see it
I'm sure
clearly.
we can. I don't know if budget will allow it, though. Quan taking control of the match. Throwing Jon into the corner.
Oh, Jon fires back.
Quan's down to one knee in the corner, stunned. Once again.
Jon takes to the air to take him off his feet. Beautiful.
Beautiful drop kick from the second. Both men are down. The ref's counting.
Desperate to make that tag. He's even got
Valentine's
enough fuel in the tank to do it.
Valentyne's getting the crowd going. Trying to get Jon fired up for the tag.
The pair of them digging deep.
There it
We
is.
have a tag on both sides.
There's a big drop kick. Valentyne. Another drop kick. Goes down. Quan. Victor takes one. Clothesline to Quan. This young man is on fire. Big double axe handle. Quan goes out. Dodges the clothesline. Here we go for a pin. 1, 2.
No.
Oh! What was that?
That was I'm sure Quan was just showing him his kendo stick.
Unbelievable!
And he fell into it. If you look at clumsy around that stick.
Unbelievable. He bluntly hit him.
Oh no, I'm sure Quan was just showing him the stick because he's insanely proud of it.
The super fan even seen it.
And like I was saying, people get clumsy around the stick, right? So he fell face first into it and cost himself the match.
Did you not see the same thing I was watching?
Absolutely, and I'm glad I was here to break it down. And
Tavious is arguing it right now because he's seen it.